naman. Ano? Don't stop. Marami yun dun. What is up mga tropa? Tayo ay muli nagbabalik. At tayo ay maglalaro ng Start Survey. So guys, kung di mo pa ito na-download, mahanap mo ito sa Play Store. I-search mo lang ito. Itong Start Survey, no? So start. Napapili tayo dito ng English or Russian. Mukha ba ako Russian? Kung English tayo. Okay. Wala. Ano yan? Minecraft beta ata ito. May tinapay dito. Ay. Are you having a nice day? Yes. Ano naman? May responsibilities. Oo, sa bahay. Madami. Time check to 59. Get around for a moment. Sabi mo tayo yan. At minutes years surrounding. Hindi ako familiar kasi kakastart ko lang yung laro ko. Wala pa akong alam masyado. Do you know where you are? Hindi ko alam. Have you ever had a panic attack? No. Di pa ako nagka-panic attack. Do you find yourself questioning your existence? No. Do you believe there's a God? Yes, God is good. God is good. Are you answering this question out of fear? Okay. Oh, yes. Are you certain? Yes. Do you feel comfortable in your room? Yes, of course. I feel comfortable. Yes. If the lights went out, would you be scared? No. Yan, bibiro lang naman. Wala bang sikdo na. Bibiro lang tao. Have you ever wondered when you were dead? No. Have you think of your best lately? Baka namang malinis. Oo. Open the folder on your desk. Do you recognize the content of the folder? Walang nakalagay. Ano yan? Paano ko maintindihan yan, Gar? Walang nakalagay No. Throw away the content of folder. What? Paano content ka? Good internet access. No. Do you have any enemies? I think no. If you suddenly went missing, would anybody come looking for you? Oo, hanapin ako na Superman. Yes. Are you alone? Oo. Isa lang ako dito. If you scream, would anybody hear? Sobrang lakas ng ulan, may makakarinig ba? Siyempre, wala. Do you know the person standing behind you? Oh shit. Alam ko na to nakita ko to, yan High speed. May parang ako tingin lang. Wala naman. Wala oh. What is that? Wala naman din. Hindi alam. Ba't nabukas ang pinto doon, Gar? Wala alam. May entity tayong kasama, hindi tayo alone. Relax, take some time. Relax. Okay. Wala ka nga. Tayo relax eh. Yes. Relax na tayo. Are you feeling real and not just programmed like a machine? Yes. One to two. There's a meaning to life. Is there a meaning to life? There's the meaning ng buhay. Do you know who you are yet? Oh, kasi ano, Batman. Do you know what is happening? Happening? Wow. Happening? Wow. Do you know what is happening? Hindi ko alam. Pero ang mga nakaupo ako, nagko-computer dito na. Easy. Easy ba to? Laptop. Hindi ko alam nangyari. Wala akong alam kung that if you were told that about your existence, would you deny it? Hopes for a better answer. Yes. Unknown. Unknown. Ito. When I ask the question, is it really you answering? Yes. Ako talaga to. If I could prove to you that you are not infinite, would you be shocked? Hindi, lang magulat. Do you want to know the truth? Yes. Ibang people sa ganito. Look out the window. What is that sound? Ano ito ang mga bit? Ano? What? What is that really? Oh shoot, what the heck's happening? Heck? So this would not exist. Okay, think tapos. So guys, doon na nagtatapos ang video. So guys, kung nagustuhan mo ang aking video, mag-subscribe at mag-like ka na. See you next year.